In Allah Ghafurur Rahim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, surely Allah is the forgiving and Allah is the merciful. And Allah is always mentioning in the Quran that Allah is forgiving and Allah is merciful. Even the starting of the Quran is always Bismillah Rahman Rahim. That Allah is showing to us that He is very merciful. He always want to mercy upon His creations. And He want to forgive. His actually will ask with truly forgiveness from Allah and repenting that willing to not to repeat whatever he did wrong in his life. This is the one thing that Allah forgive us. The God Almighty Allah forgive us. The other thing is to forgiveness between each other. And that's a very important thing. That learn to forgive people and learn to ask forgiveness from the people. It is very good that we can settle our matters in this life. And if we keep it with us and we die with those hatred and those questions, then we will be judged to each other on the day of judgment. So very good thing, we learn Muslim culture, which is very seldom to find in Philippines. We call it maaf. Give me maaf. Make me maaf. Okay, what's the meaning maaf? Forgive me whatever I did wrong to you. And there's another person can say also please forgive me whatever I did wrong to you. That is a very important lesson for us as a Muslim to teach these people who are not Muslim to learn to forgive people and ask the forgiveness from others. It is the things which can settle the mountains of misunderstandings. Mountains. Because if you're going to clarify the misunderstanding, our lives are not enough. What is the best thing? Please forgive me whatever I did wrong, and I forgive you whatever you did wrong to me. Finish already. That's how easy to settle this problem of hatred and misunderstandings and fights and quarrels and making it multiply. And there are some people who can make it more and more, increase those fights. But what is the Islam teach us? Settle it. Please forgive me whatever I did wrong, and I forgive you also whatever you done wrong to me. And that's the way you can solve all those problems and to have a very happy life. There are people, like especially in the Philippines, they keep hatred for many, many years. They keep it. And they never want to remove it. And then it is going to destroy you. You are going to have a very weak heart with this hatred keep in your heart. Remove this. Clear your heart. Say, okay, I forget everything. Learn to reset. You know, reset example like this cell phone. It is over memory now. And this memory is making your cell phone to not function properly. So what you do now? You go to the reset. Factory setting reset. Reset. When you reset, all the memories will erase. So don't erase the good memory. All the bad memories, to erase them. Remove from your mind. Don't keep any bad memory in your heart. And forgive people and start with a new life. And that's we call reset. Reset all the bad memories. Keep the good memories. Go on, move on with your life. But if you always think about the past, this happened and this is going to make trouble with the people between each other, and the life will be not peaceful. So peaceful life, learn to forgive and ask forgiveness and go on, move on. So the two things, lessons for tonight. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Forgive people and forget their wrongs with you. And then you can have a very beautiful life. Prophet Muhammad said that one of my great sunnah is every morning and every evening, wipe, broom your heart. Broom, he said the word broom. Walisin yung puso na tanggalin ang lahat ng mga masamang loob sa puso. Remove all the hatred from your heart. Don't keep hatred for any person in your heart. And you will feel your heart will be very cool, very nice, very comfortable, very happy, and no depression or no any anxiety or stress with you. This is the Prophet Muhammad teaches. Every morning, every evening, wipe your heart, broom your heart, remove all the hatred from your heart. Tanggalin lahat ng masamang loob sa puso, umaga at hapon, sabi ni Prophet Muhammad. And that is one of his greatest sunnah. May Allah guide us. May Allah forgive us.